This is code.org. I'm working on their CS Discoveries course. I'm currently working on their Web Development Unit, Unit 2. I'm on Lesson 13, RGB Colors and Classes, Part 5. Let's see what we're doing here. Spring and Autumn Colors. Choose RGB values for spring and autumn colors. Click Run to start the widget. Adjust the levels until you find a spring color you like, then write down the values on your activity guide. Do the same for an autumn color. Oh, so they're leaving it to us. Okay. You will need the RGB values for the next activity. So we do need to write them down. We get to pick the colors though. And yeah, I guess we can just kind of explore some. I'm going to start with autumn, I guess. Oh, I need to click Run. How do you make, why do you... Oh, and this just gives us some info. Huh, okay. Ooh. Yeah, color picker. Anyways, all right. So we are going to do autumn. For autumn, I was thinking something orangey. I'm not exactly sure on the numbers. Guess we'll find it together. Let's start with, that looks really blue, 190, 90, because it's not going to have a ton of green because it's, well, autumn. Oh, that's kind of in the range, but I think that's a bit too red maybe. And again, this is going to be somewhat up to you, so I'm going to pick one I like. If you think mine's looking good, just steal my color if you want. I want more orange. Do something like this, and then that, and then yeah. Something right around there. So for my autumn color, I guess, and that looks nice and orangey, I'm going to do red at 190, green at 96, and blue at 18. So write that down on your activity guide. Where it says CSS value, what it's looking for is the RGB code. So you'd write RGB, parentheses, and then I would write 190 for my red, 96 for my green, and 18 for blue. Great. Now I get to pick out a spring color. So let me start exploring that. When I think of spring, I think of green. I'm actually going to start fresh. So green, I'm going to run and kind of move these around. Well, I bet I'll have a fair amount of green. Red we're going to lower if I remember. And then maybe something... green has some blue. Ooh, that's a bit too green though. What if we... So it looks like plants. Maybe a bit more blue and less red. I think red's making it darker maybe. Perfect. That makes me think of plants. So now I'm going to write that down on my activity guide or piece of paper to keep track of it because I'm going to need it later on in this lesson. Great. Let's keep going. Finish and continue.